Hi everyone, my name is Lauren and I will be guiding you through the next 10 minutes or so of some gentle movements and stretches for your head, your neck, and your upper body. We'll begin by finding a comfortable seated position. For me, that's sitting cross-legged on the ground and I have a pillow underneath me. And before we begin to move, I'd invite you to simply find your breath. Maybe you close your eyes and just come into this space. If it's available to you, I invite you to breathe in and out through your nose, lengthening your inhales and exhales. And as you do so, see if you can send the breath deep down into your belly, into your sides, into the back of your body as well. If your eyes have been closed, I invite you to open them gently, bringing some awareness back to your space. And draw in a big inhale through your nose. And perhaps you exhale with a sigh through your mouth. On your next inhale, you can squeeze your shoulders up to your ears and then roll them down and back the length of your spine as you exhale. Do this movement a couple times, squeezing up and then down and back. And then you can reverse the direction, so squeezing up to your ears and then down and forward. On your next inhale, your arms can reach high overhead. And as you exhale, they come back down to your sides. Inhale them up and exhale them down. As your arms come up overhead this next time, clasp your hands together and then place them on the back of your head. Let your head look down your chin to chest, stretching out the back of your neck. From here, you can let your elbows drop down, making yourself even smaller. And then as you inhale, sit up tall, your elbows widen like a flower blooming. On your exhale, you'll close back in, your chin to chest, rounding your back slightly, elbows coming in. And continue this movement just a couple times on your own, following your own breath. Next time you inhale to open, sweep your arms up overhead, and as you exhale, your right arm comes down, hand planting beside you. Your left arm stays overhead to open up your side body. Inhale to come back up tall, and exhale to the other direction, opening up your right side body. Inhale to come up tall, and exhale to let your hands circle down beside you. Inhale, your right arm lifts up tall, and as you exhale, your right hand finds your left ear, and then let your right ear drop to your right shoulder. Maybe you play around with the angle of your chin and feel different sensations as you move your neck slightly. When you're ready, we'll switch to the other side, letting your opposite ear drop towards that shoulder and taking a moment to stretch. Inhale to reach tall and exhale to twist so your right arm falls behind you, your left hand to your right knee for a twist. Inhale, come back through center, and exhale to the other direction. As you inhale back through center and exhale, your palms find your legs. You can let your chin drop to your chest and make small half circles in both directions with your neck. When you're ready, you'll lift your hands overhead again, clasping your fingers and letting them come to the base of your skull. Inhale to open your chest wide, lift your gaze. And as you exhale, twist your torso to the right side, keeping those elbows wide. Inhale back through center and exhale to the other direction. You're welcome to repeat this gentle twist a couple times at your own pace. When you're ready, let your arms drop to your sides and inhale, they come up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up, and exhale to cactus arms. Inhale, twist. Exhale to center and twisting through the other side. Inhale, arms come tall overhead, and exhale them down to your sides. When you're ready, you'll start to lean your chest forwards and walk your hands out in front of you. You can let your head hang heavy here, finding a comfortable position. Slowly start to walk your hands back up, lifting your chest, neck, and head into a seated position. And as you exhale, let your right ear fall to your right shoulder. Inhale, head up, and exhale, left ear toward left shoulder. Let your hands find your knees, and as you inhale, pull your chest forward, gaze lifts. And exhale, lean back, rounding your spine, dropping your chin to chest. Repeating these cat-cow movements a few times at your own pace. On your next inhale, your arms will circle up tall overhead, and as you exhale, give yourself a hug, reaching your fingertips towards your shoulder blades. I invite you to lower your chin and your gaze here and sit in your own embrace for just a moment. And when you're ready, you'll do the same thing, giving yourself a hug, but switching which arm is on top. We'll move into some gentle arm circles now. So starting with your arms stretched out wide to either side of you, make small circles in whichever direction you'd like, making them bigger and bigger and bigger, and then smaller back through center. And do the same thing in the opposite direction. Let your arms come back down to your sides. And as you inhale, lift your gaze all the way up to the ceiling. And then perhaps let your head drop back a little bit before lifting it back up and then back down, chin to chest. I invite you to take any last movements here that you'd like, maybe turning your head from side to side, looking up and down, making small circles, whatever feels good. When you're ready, if you're ready, inhale, arms come up high overhead, and exhale, they come down, palms find your legs. I invite you to settle into a last moment of stillness here before continuing on with whatever you're doing after this. As you sit here for as long as you need, I'd like to close off this video just by saying thank you for spending these last 10 minutes with me.